Hey everybody, this is Gregory from Dapp University, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use POA Network's bridge to convert POA tokens on the POA network to POA 20 tokens on the Ethereum network. In order to do this, you'll first need a link to connect to the POA network. You can copy this link like this and enter it into MetaMask. We'll add it to MetaMask by selecting the Custom RPC option and entering the link. Now that we're connected to the POA network, let's see how easy it is to transfer POA tokens from the POA network to the Ethereum network. I'll start by entering 1,000 POA tokens and clicking Transfer, and then Continue. And I'll sign this transaction with MetaMask, and there you go. You can see that the balance has decreased on the POA network and increased on the Ethereum network. And that's how easy it is to transfer POA tokens seamlessly from the POA network to the Ethereum network with the POA network bridge. So be sure to subscribe to the channel to see more videos about the POA network bridge project. And until then, thanks for watching Dapp University.